We still have 31 people here. Sorry about that. Apparently when I flipped the camera around, it lost connection to the router. We're dropping like flies in here. We're down to 27 people. So we're going to keep this going for a little bit longer. If you guys have any questions, still shoot those out, and I will be answering those. Why are schools closing specifically? From C. Johnson, they are closing because of the cold temperatures. Wind chills are going to be about 25 to 35 below zero tomorrow. So that's why these schools are closing. So we're back up. The chat's going again. Apparently got disconnected from the server when I was flipping that around. Let's see here. West Jefferson schools. I think they're asking about West Jefferson. I'll check those real quick to see what West Jefferson right now is not closed yet. Hilliard City, schools closed or open? I will answer that for you. Hilliard right now is closed. Hilliard kids, you can stay up, watch TV, eat popcorn. I don't know what you guys do when you stay up anymore. Why are weather radios not going off? Weather radios go off for severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings. We are not dealing with that, Eric. Black. Good. Hopefully I'm back up and we're not black anymore. Hopefully you guys can see the video. All right. Check to see what else we have going on Twitter right now. It cut off, and you said you were no longer on air. Should be back now. I'm going to tweet her back. All right. Let's see what other kind of questions we have. Is global warming fact or myth? Not looking forward to Tuesday at all. This question from Brent A. Moore. I do agree with the facts that the globe is slowly warming, whether it's completely human involved or not. You can make your own judgment on that. But the trends are hinting that the fact that we are slowly warming. But who do you blame back when the saber-toothed tigers were here? But I will say, do we as humans pollute the earth a lot? Yeah. Could we do more? Yes. Should we recycle more? Yes. Should we drive less? Yes. Should we ride our bicycles more? Yes. It's all politics. All I know is the fact that we as humans could do a lot better job of making sure the earth looks a lot better when we leave it than when we got here. All right. Any other questions, you guys, shoot me up. I will be answering those here again until about 9:15. Then I have to go record some radio for 610 WTVN. And I will be answering you guys' questions as well on the Twitter. No new questions there on Twitter. I'll refresh the Facebook page real quick. All right. See if we have any questions on here. I have a couple questions on the ABC6 and Fox 28 Facebook page, so I'm going to answer those real quick. Is it possible for a level 3 snow emergency within these 2 days ahead of us? This is from Heather. Is it possible for a level 3? No, I do not think we're going to see a level 3 snow emergency. If we do see that, it's going to be the far northwestern portions of Ohio where they have more snow. Normally, level 3 snow emergency is when you have ice and snow on the road. They could issue it because there's a lot of ice out there. If it's all solid sheets of ice, they could issue a level 3. But the only thing we're really going to be dealing with is a little snow tonight, and then we're going to see drastically dropping temperatures for the next couple of days. I'm wondering if the roads are going to be icy in the morning or not, from Cheryl Moore on the ABC6 Facebook page. Yes, they will likely be. They will likely be icy tomorrow morning. And John Shoemaker saying, I'm thinking 1/3 of an inch of ice, inch with ice underneath of it for the snow. And I think that's pretty good. I think we'll see up to an inch, again, as I've been calling for, up to an inch of snow. But again, that ice underneath of it, that's going to hide, and you're not going to be able to see that. So you got to be careful out there on the roads. How much snow are we expecting? From Heather Guyton asking, what happened to all the snow? How much are we expecting now? Again, the snow shifted its way further west, so that's why we're only calling for up to an inch of snow as we head through the next couple of days. All right, so Mike Goulier saying he is streaming me right now from Sarasota, and I will show you guys this. He wanted to send this picture to show us what it looked like in Sarasota. How does that look right now? Doesn't look too bad right now, but the next couple of days, I bet everyone would love to be there instead. All right. Sorry, this is why I moved here from Columbus. Mini Park Cal saying that the barometer is dropping like a rock. That's out in Madison County. So, yeah, it's going to be pretty nasty the next couple of days. All right, I'm going to check Twitter one more time, see what else we have going on there. Elise, thanks for the tweet there. Dylan saying it's raining in Zanesville still, so thanks for that report. Let's check out Ustream, see if there are any new questions on there. All right, where did we lose? Where did we stop at? Is anyone there? Yep, I am here. Are we going to have ice in the morning? It's going to look like snow. We'll switch over to snow before midnight for the Columbus metro area. I'm watching the radar to see what time frame. Again, I think still close to midnight. We'll flip over to snow here in the Columbus metro area, and then we'll stay all snow. No icing other than the fact the refreeze. We're not expected to see sleet or freezing rain with this. Yes, you're back. What is the weirdest moment while television, while you've been on air? I was reporting one time, very similar to what they're dealing with in Indiana and western Ohio right now. We had about, I think, maybe 8 inches of snow. Winds were going about 30 miles an hour. I was doing a live report, and the camera fell over while I was doing my live report, and CNN called, and they wanted to use it, so it was pretty cool. That's the weirdest thing that ever happened to me. Just I was out there reporting all by myself. I don't have a photographer, and I was just using my own camera, and the camera started to tip over, and I grabbed the tripod and put it right back. Would the temps be lower, have been lower tomorrow if we had more snow cover in central Ohio? That is a great question from Tim Adkins. He asked, would the temperatures be colder tomorrow if we had more snow in central Ohio? The answer to that, yes. I warmed up our low temperature for Tuesday morning to 10 below because if you have a fresh snowpack, that allows temperatures to fall that much colder. So again, with no snow on the ground, it's still going to be cold, but I think it might be not quite as cold as what we were expecting. What do you guys do during commercial breaks? What I saw, Bob and Bill were watching games. Some were 5 seconds, and they got ready. Bill and Bob have been doing those for fun as jokes to kind of tease you what they do during the commercial breaks. Normally during the commercial breaks, I'm doing the live chat. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Facebook, interacting with you guys. And then the rest of the time, I'm looking at the show, looking at what's coming up next, if there are any other live reports coming up. So really, I'm just trying to prepare myself for the next hit, make sure everything's looking good, and seeing if you guys have any reports out there. Because, again, I realize, especially on a day like today where I'm watching the radar, seeing where the rain snow line is, it gives me a really good idea of where we're seeing that rain switch over to snow, which, again, for us here in the Columbus area, probably going to be a little bit before midnight tonight. So I'm going to check Twitter, see if there are any new questions on there right now. Dylan just sending out a photo of me doing the live chat as well. I think there's some unflattering photos. I need to get like a tripod or some decent lighting around here. I'm blocking. Here, I'll move out. If I sit there, especially if I twist this around, you guys can see how bright that is. That's why I set myself up where I am, so that way I'm blocking some of this light for you guys. All right, let me check here, see if there are any other new questions. I don't see any there on the social stream. Check Facebook one more time, and if there are any new ones, I will answer those. Otherwise, I'm going to be signing off of here. Again, we'll have the 10 o'clock news tonight. I'm going to keep a very close eye on that snow rain line as it moves its way closer. Thanks to everyone that was on here. We will do this again, same time, same place next week. If you guys have any other questions, Andrew WSYX on Twitter. On Facebook, it is Facebook.com/Andrew Michael, ABC6, Fox 28, or it's a lot easier just to go to my Twitter, and then there's a link right at the top there. But you can just search Andrew Michael. But again, thanks to everyone stopping by with all the questions. We'll see you guys tonight at 10 and 11. And for all the kids out there that do not have school tomorrow, if you guys do go outside at all the next couple of days, bundle up very warm because frostbite, very real possibility for a lot of people here in Central Ohio. So again, thanks to everyone jumping on. We'll see you tonight at 10 and 11. And for all the kids out there that do not have school tomorrow, if you guys do go outside at all the next couple of days, bundle up very warm because frost.
What is focus? It's a wondrous sensation of clarity and alertness. It's owning your opponent.